Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you exactly how to write clear, easy-to-follow instructions. Recipes, assembling furniture, explaining tech stuff to your grandma. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just helping someone out, these steps will make your how-to guides shine. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Start with a catchy title that tells your reader exactly what you're teaching. Think simple, like how to make fluffy pancakes, how to set up your Wi-Fi. Step 2. List your materials or tools right at the top. People want to know what they need before they get started. For example, if you're writing a recipe, list all the ingredients. If it's a DIY project, list every tool, even the tape measure. Step 3. Break down the process into clear, numbered steps. Keep each step short and direct. Start each one with a verb: mix, attach, or download. This makes your instructions punchy and easy to follow. Don't forget to keep them in the right order. Nothing's more frustrating than realizing you needed to preheat the oven halfway through mixing your batter. Now step 4. Add tips or warnings where needed. Is there a tricky part or something that could go wrong? Give your reader a heads up. For example, be careful not to overmix your dough or double-check that your device is turned off before you start. Step 5. Use simple language. Avoid jargon, fancy words, or long sentences. Imagine you're explaining things to a friend who's never done this before. If you have to use special terms, explain them. Step 6. Use visuals if you can. Photos, diagrams, or even quick drawings make instructions way easier to follow. If you're just using text, be super descriptive. Paint a picture with your words. Before you finish, read your instructions out loud. This will help you spot anything confusing or awkward. Better yet, ask someone else to try them out and see if they get stuck. Title, materials, clear steps, tips, simple language, and visuals. Follow these, and your how-to guides will be a breeze for anyone to understand. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more easy guides every week. Happy writing!